Listen, my dears. Today we are here in this apple orchard on a horticulture tour. Horticulture? Basically, first of all, we should know what horticulture is. It is growing and caring of plants. Growing and caring of plants for different purposes. For example, growing and caring of plants for natural beauty. Growing and caring of plants for economic boost. Growing and caring of plants for the increase of country's GDP. Growing and caring of plants for employment generation. Apple cultivation. This is the major crop that is grown in Kashmir. You can understand this fact like this. Almost 48% of apple production of our country that comes from Jammu and now you can imagine how big industry this apple industry is.
So what exactly is horticulture? I mean, I have heard it before, but I'm not exactly sure what it is.
I think it's something to do with the plants and farming, right?
Yeah.
Horticulture in Kashmir involves growing different kinds of fruit, just like apples, pears.
It's like growing fruits, vegetables, isn't it?
Not just that, my dad told me it also includes plants and trees. Basically, everything related to growing plants.
Oh, that makes sense. But why is it important in Kashmir? I thought we were more about beautiful landscapes and tourism.
That's true, Moomin, but Kashmir is also famous for its horticulture. We grow apples, walnuts, saffron, and even almonds. These are exported all over the world.
My uncle has an apple orchard and he says that the horticulture is the most important economy in Kashmir. Most of the people are dependent on it for their jobs. Yeah, and not jobs. It helps our environment too. Growing more plants keeps the air clean and the land fertile.
It's good for us. We get fresh fruits and vegetables. Imagine having to buy apples from far away when we can grow here the best ones.
No, we are doing enough to develop horticulture. I mean, if it's so important, should not we do more to support it?
Good point, Daman. I heard that sometimes orchards get damaged due to bad weather or pests. We need better ways to protect our crops.
We should learn about more and more techniques like using of technology to grow healthier and finding the ways to use technology. And it also helps our farmers a lot.
Yeah, we can also work to develop more greenhouses so we can grow things when it's colder months, even it's snowing outside.
We all work together to make horticulture stronger. It could help Kashmir to grow even more. We could be known just for our beauties, but for also feeding people all over the world.
Exactly. I think we should also start learning about it now. We can start small gardens in our school to practice.
Great idea. That way we can know more about horticulture and how plants are important for us. Let's do it. We all can play a part. Kashmir's future depends on us taking.
And who knows, maybe one of us will discover a new way of growing crops in a better way and make Kashmir more famous.
I like that. Let's all work to make a sure horticulture in Kashmir stays strong and helps our land and people grow. Thank you. With changing climate conditions, it's crucial to protect Kashmir's horticultural industry by using modern farming techniques and researching new things to grow plants. We can ensure that the industry continues to thrive. If young people like Sehan, Talha and Mutaiba take an interest in horticulture, they can contribute to making Kashmir's future even brighter. Thank you.
It supports economy, provides job knowledge to the people and helps us maintain the regional national.